Hello students, I am Kinjal Parmar. Welcome back to the video lecture series of microprocessor and microcontroller. Today we will discuss display interfacing with AVR. So let's start with what is display. So 7-segment display. In a many application to display numbers, 7 segments are the best choice. This display 7 segments are made of 7 LEDs to show different number pulses plus LEDs another LED to display the decimal points. Some characters like A, B, C, D, E, H also are displayed by the 7 segments LED. So these 7 segments LED are basically used to define or display the 7 or says through 7 LEDs or total 9 numbers, that means total 0 to 9, total 10 numbers. So here we have a B, C, D, E, F, G, total 7 LEDs like this, and it's a common cathode architecture like this. So whenever any of the pins, whenever we want to display a 0, so A, then A, B, then C, D, E, F all are 1 and this G is equals to 0 for 0, and same for 1, B and C are 1 and others are 0. So this is how 7 segment LED display total 0 to 9 number. This MX7221 7 segment LED are used to display 0 to 9 numbers and some characters. This MX7221 IC is an ideal chip for such an application since it supports up to 8 7 segment LEDs. The MX7221 can be interfaced to the AVR chip using SPI control and control up to the 7 segment LEDs. The MX7221 contains an internal decoder that can be used to convert binary numbers to 7 segment code. So this MX7221 is looks like this IC. So here this IC is look like this. Here it has a 24 pins. Okay, it has a total 24 pins. Each and every pins has some specific functions. Okay, so let's discuss each and every pins functions. So first here we have this display functions ground. So pin 4 and P9 are ground. Both of ground pins should be connected to a system ground and cannot leave any of them unconnected. Then VCC, pin 19 is a VCC and should be connected to plus 5 volt power supply. Then IST, this pin 18 is a ISET, set the maximum segment current. This is for a segment current. This pin should be connected to VCC through a resistor. So this pin is basically connected for a segment current to VCC. Then next is a CS, that is chip select. This chip select should be connected to a SS pin of the AVR, that means slave select pin of the AVR. Serial data is loaded into the chip while CS is low. The last 16 bit of a serial data are latched on a chip select's rising edge. So this chip select is basically connected to the SS pin of the AVR. Then D in pin 1 is a serial data input and should be connected to MOSI pin, that means master output slave input pin of the AVR. On the clock's rising edge, the data on this pin is loaded into internal shift resistor. Then next is a clock. The serial clock input should be connected to SCK pins of the AVR. On MX7221, the clock input is inactive when CS is high. So these are pins for a used for a clock of the 7 segment LED display. Now another pins are D out. So pin 24 is a serial data out and used to connect more than one MX7221 to a single SPI bus. Then DIG 0 to DIG 7. The DIG pins are the 7 segment selector pins and should be connected to the 7 segments common cathode pin. The MX7221 chip can control up to 8 7 segments LED. Then next is a SEGA, SEGG and GP. This pin selects the segments and should be connected to the segments of each 7 segments accordingly. So these are used to select the 7 segment LED displays. So here we have a 7 segment LED displays interfacing with AVR. So here AVR is connected with these types of LEDs. This is shows a basic IC structure. Now this basic IC structure display can be connected with AVR like this. MOSI pin is connected with D-in, SS pin is connected with chip select, and clock is connected with clock, ground is connected like this. And here we have a segment. So according to that, whatever the program we performed on AVR, it can be loaded in a AVR. Then according to that, this IC generates numbers or characters or letters based on 7 segment display. So here we have a program that write an AVR program to display 57 on the 7 segments. This is the assembly language program. So we want a 57 on a 7 segment LED. So we just initialize MOSI pin 5 and SCK pin with 7, and this SS is equals to 4. Okay, so this is initialization of MOSI, SCK and SS pin. Now here initialize the stack pointer and then set the pin. So here MOSI, SCK and SS are the output. So here we make this pins are 1. Okay, now to select a master mode and define a clock frequency, here we use SPCR resistors, that means a SPI control resistor of SPI bus protocol. So here SPI is used. Now here set decoding code command. Here set a decoding code command. So for that, here we have a 0x09. Then enable the decoding for digit 01. Okay, enable the decoding. Then send CMD and data to the chip. This is the for a display. This programming or this instruction is for displaying the device. Okay, then here set the scan limit command and scan to 7 segment display, and then command send command and data to the IC. So after sending and command deciding this command and data, turn on or off the command and turn on the chip and send this command and data to chip, and then select digits 0 and display the values 07. Now after displaying the value 7, this program will continues over here. So it will again send the command and data to the chip and select the digits. Okay, select the digits and display the value 5. So first it display the 7, then it display the value 5, and this command, how we can send the command and wait for you over here. So here we have a function. This function sends a command and its data to SPI, and command should be in a R17 and data should be in a R20 before the function is invoked. So this is for calling of functions and then sending a data on a 7 segment LEDs. So here we have a same program in a C language like this. We can make a port B as a output and make connections like this, and then initialize the SPDR resistor. Here initialize the DDRB resistors and values of SPCR resistors, and then execute this to scan to 7 segment, turn on the chip, then display 7 and display 5. So this is how 7 segment display can display numbers of 57 on 7 segments. Thank you.